Hello my friends, hope all you doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 281 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. It is so hot, it feels like an oven outside. And what's better on a hot day than a nice bowl of vanilla ice cream? So that's what I'm going to make. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade vanilla ice cream. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, full of vanilla flavor, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this ice cream is no churn, no machine, and no eggs required. And it only calls for 5 ingredients. And this would be great to make with your kids. And once you taste this vanilla ice cream, you'll never go back to buying it from the store again. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my sweet potato ice cream and orange creamsicle recipe. I'll also post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your vanilla extract and your whipped cream sugar, because we're about to make some vanilla ice cream magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the whipped cream. In my mixer, we're going to add in 2 cups of cold heavy whipping cream. And if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. And we're going to whip it until it reaches soft white peaks. Alright my friends, I'm through whipping up the whipped cream, and this is what it looked like. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to set this aside while we work on the other ingredients. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. We're going to add a pinch of salt to bring out the flavor. And I'm going to add just a little almond extract, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. And the star of the show, this is a vanilla ice cream without vanilla. I'm using 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give that a quick whisk until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to fold in 1 cup of the whipped cream that we made earlier. Fold this in real gently. Smells good. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in the rest of the whipped cream. And fold this in until they're nice and well combined. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish folding this in and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, and just that quickly we got the ice cream filling put together. See how simple and easy this recipe is? So now all we do is just pour it in the pan. We're going to pour the ice cream into a chilled loaf pan. Alright my friends, so now we're going to cover the ice cream with some plastic wrap and we're going to pop it in the freezer and we're going to let it chill overnight until it's firm. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Homemade vanilla ice cream. It's chilled and firm. Alright, so now I'm going to fix me up a bowl and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, now time for the best part, the tasting. I put some sprinkles on, or you can add any toppings that you prefer. You can use the ice cream cone. What's your favorite topping on your ice cream? Let me know down below in the comment section. Alright, here we go. So creamy and decadent. I love that little hint of almond extract. This is definitely perfect on a hot summer day. Please give this vanilla ice cream a try. Your whole family will enjoy it. This deserves another bite. Vanilla ice cream licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and stay cool.